This guide will walk you through the process of integrating WordPress with Vocable. From adding the integration to submitting the details, follow these engaging steps to streamline your publishing process to WordPress efficiently. Under your Integrations tab, click on Add Integration or the plus button on the bottom right. Proceed by clicking on the WordPress logo. Enter your blog name. Provide your WordPress username. This is the same username you use when logging into your WordPress. Provide your blog link. Make sure to write the full URL, including the HTTPS. For this step, you need to head over to WordPress to generate and copy your application password. Once on WordPress, click AC on Users on the left navigation bar and then click on Profile. Scroll all the way down until you see the section called Application Passwords. Under that, type up what you want to name your integration, for example Vocable integration, and then click on Add New Application. Your new password for this integration will be generated. Click Copy to copy the full password. Now go back to your Vocable's integration window and paste your new application password and hit Submit. You will then see your new WordPress integration appear as active. When you're ready to publish a draft to your new WordPress blog, you can select it under your Connected Channels and fill out your post settings accordingly. Then under Publishing Settings, you can pick either Publish to publish your post immediately, or you can click Draft to send your post to WordPress without publishing. Then click Publish. Et voila! Your post is then published or sent as a draft successfully to your WordPress.